All right, continuing on one last time, but we're going to do some real world examples. What we're going to need to do is define that variable, and then we're going to set up an inequality and solve for each one. In this problem, it talks about our baseball team, and it's our goal to collect at least 160 blankets for a shelter. The team members brought 42 blankets on Monday and 65 on Wednesday. How many blankets must the team get on Friday to meet or exceed their goal? So what we're going to do is talk about what they've collected so far. So they've collected things on Monday, plus they collected things on Wednesday, and they're also going to collect things on Friday. The things they collect, all the blankets they collect, have to meet or exceed. So that means that this side has to be greater than or equal to 160. Well, if we go back and reread the problem, it says they got 42 blankets on Monday, so I'll put 42 in for the Monday. They got 65 on Wednesday, so I'll put 65 in for Wednesday. And Friday is our unknown. Setting up this inequality allows me to go ahead and solve for F, Friday. On the left-hand side, I can combine my like terms, which is 107. F plus F is greater than or equal to 160. Subtract 107 off both sides, and I get that on Friday they have to collect greater than or equal to 53 blankets. I have one more example, and in this example, it's talking about earning a certain grade. So in order to receive a B in my literature class, you have to earn 350 points in the reading credits. Last week, we earned 120. This week, we earned 90. How many points must you earn to receive that B? How many more points? That really should read. So what we're going to do is talk about last week plus this week, and then plus how many more we need to get that B. To get a B, we have to have more than 350. 350 isn't good enough, so more than 350, so something like 351. Last week we earned 120. This week we earned 90. And how many more we need to earn? I'll just call that X. Left-hand side, I can combine my like terms, which is 210. Plus X is greater than 350. We will subtract 210 from both sides and get that X has to be greater than 140. So I must earn more than 140 points. So such answers that would work would be like 141, 142. But definitely has to be more than 140. Thanks for joining me today for inequalities.